Alright, hey guys, so here we have another special treat. This is a 2013 Northwest Envirofan Silverline in chrome. So that's pretty cool. I got 4 of these in total. Fans are in fair condition. The bottoms are a little scratched up, but nothing terrible. The blades do have some scratches and scuffs that unfortunately are probably not going to go away very easily without, re-chroming or whatever, which isn't worth it. You can probably still get these from Envirofan themselves. But overall, not a bad, as far as construction goes, not a bad build for a, I guess, budget fan. Or, lower end from the gold line. I guess their budget fan would be the bronze line, but you get the idea. I actually do really like these, at least the newer ones. The canopies or whatever. Yeah, the canopies are nicer. I don't know if there's any difference with motor and blade. I think it's about the same. Something that's kind of nice about these is, though they are steel and steel, the blades are pretty light for steel. Unfortunately, these are going to be a little bit more flimsy, but it's less strain on the motor. Anyways, let's take a look at it in all of its scratched up glory. I don't know if this was the best one of the 4, but I just kind of picked blades and motor at random. Alright, so this is rated for 0.7 amps. Get the test rig going, and let's fire it up. 5.59. Yeah, I think that's where it's going to stay. Yeah, this has like a loose lamination, or the motor housing itself is loose, or the stator is loose. Something involving the motor is loose, so it's kind of reverberating a little bit. But once it gets up to speed, it seems to be just fine. So I don't know what the deal is there. Yeah, let's say it's going to leave off at 0.56. Yeah. Do an airflow test. It's not as gusty as the gold line. Definitely quite a bit less. It's less than the newer gold line too. From what I remember, these things have a stupid long spin down. Alright. Feel the power and, play the waiting game. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, so obviously when a couple chrome ones popped up, had to jump on those. Something that I kind of wanted to test out in the garage, but I don't know, I might be going a different route with these, or with the garage fans. I haven't really decided what I want to do yet. I think I'll still try them, obviously, since I have them. I don't know if it'll even make it to a video, but I guess we will find out. Yeah, as far as stamped steel fans, these aren't the greatest, but they're not terrible. As far as bang for the buck, they're probably, probably the best. Definitely the coolest in chrome. I don't know what colors they come in. I know they come in white. I don't know if they come in black or not. I think they come in black. They might still come in brown too. I can't remember. Could be wrong, but I think these might be discontinued as well. I think I went to their website and found out sometime this year that they've been discontinued. I know they still had them last year, because I actually almost broke down and bought a couple, because they are so cool. Yeah, that is a spin down and a half. It's probably going to be about as long as those tats were. And those had, those had heavy blades. So I bought these and I was, told that they quote unquote were not used. However, I could clearly tell that they had been. I don't remember. I'm guessing these come from the factory with a plug or without a plug as an option. But the ends have been snipped, and clearly, had been wired up at some point. The cable was, it's in a way that you can kind of tell that it was used. The bearings do make a little bit of noise, very little. So they hadn't had much use, but they were still used. It got a little bent up. I don't think I paid more than they're worth, but I paid about what they're worth in this condition. There's a couple flies in here, and they're driving me up a wall. Yeah, these are cool in the chrome finish. The chrome isn't like the greatest, but it's not bad. I think these cost about the same as, the other finishes, and I assume chrome plating is going to cost more than, painting would be, so. I don't know, it is real chrome. I was able to figure that out with some steel wool. It doesn't get all scratched up like plated chrome would, or, I guess fake chrome, kind of like what Hunter used for their 90s fans with the brass, because that was like chrome beneath the brass, like all brass fans are. So, I mean, kind of cleaned up some of the scratches, but really didn't do a whole lot. Come on. It's one thing I hate about testing steel fans. They take forever to stop, and I know if I don't show spin down, someone's going to complain. Alright, well, let's test out our decade capacitor. Started on 1 microfarad. I nudged a little bit. Okay, so 1 is working because 5 is around 0.5. Go to 2. Can't remember what it drew on high now. I think it was like 0.56, I think. Yeah, 0.56. Let's go to 3. Go to 4. So that wouldn't be a bad medium low. That'd be your low speed with the Emerson control. Go to 5. That's your little spiel with a Casablanca control. 6. Drawing 0.27. 7. 0.29. 8. 0.32. 9.34. 10.35. 11.36. 37. 12.39. 13.40. 14.41. 15.43. So that'd be your medium high with a Casablanca control. That's not too bad. I think that could work. Low speed's a little fast for me, but not bad. 16, 4 4s, 17, 5, 18, 4 5, 19, 4 7, 20, 4 8, 5, 5 1, 30, 5 2. Let's see, where's the gold? 35, 0.53. And it doesn't go over. 40 is on 0.54. Alright, and let's do solid state. From 0.17. A little bit buzzy. Quarter turn. Very buzzy. Well, I kind of got to expect from stamp steel. Let's see what it does when it gets up to speed. So quarter of a turn, we're already drawing 0.42. The local churches by me have Silverlines, the older, kind of with the can arm cannon piece, but they don't really make any noise. It's probably about the speed that they stay on. Quarter turn. 0.52. Is it gonna go over with this? Quarter turn. Let me see, it's probably gonna drop. Goes over a little bit. Nope, no it doesn't. Alright. Well, that is everything. So there's my Envirofan Chrome line or Silverline or whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.